Good morning. This is the liquidity update for the day. It's early here, so I'm exhausted, but we're going to figure it out. Alright, so first we're looking at the 1 minute chart. A lot of the liquidity shows up here on the indicator that I use. We have this big block of 50x longs that is left over from yesterday. Actually, this was here for a good chunk of the weekend, and it looks like price came down right to, well, actually it came into it a little bit. I had to move this down, so it swept a little bit of these 50x longs and left the rest, and you can see we're getting some red in there now. It looks like they're trying to build this up into a red zone to take it later. It's a little bit of 100x shorts floating around from the move down. Whenever you see a big impulse like that, you have the people that are shorting it on the way down. This is degen money right here. It's not thick, but they'll come get that. And then we have a similar purple zone. This is very thick, very dense. This is 50x shorts, and this has been here for a while too, all this purple, but this is the densest area right here. And so those are some zones of interest, but usually market makers want to build a big red zone and come take that. That's where the big money's at. Alright, switching to the 5 minute chart, and we have, this is where these zones are coming from. We've got some red building up here and a little bit of red building up here. You can see when price came up to this zone right here, that's when the red started building up. So people saw this, and this is smart trades here, shorting this swing high, and they should have been taking profit somewhere in here or here or here, and for whatever reason they didn't. So we got a little zone, but that's nothing to really, I mean, it's not going to affect anything most likely. This tiny little, just red lines over here, it's not a lot. And this is just a zone of interest. We're looking for this to build up more red, but as you go higher up in the charts, in the time frame, these red lines represent more money. So we go up to 15 minute, and we can see there's a lot less lines because these are bigger high time frame trades, but we've got, it looks like all the red is down here, so we could just be wanting to come down and do something like this, sweep all this. Look, that's going to bring us right into the golden pocket. We take all this red right here, and then that would be a solid place to bounce. And that's the liquidity update for the day.